Deagan's on his ass. There he goes. He's gonna close in on him. Is there? Look, Deagan's about to get Tony. Oh shit! There he goes. There he goes. Got him on that inside. That's a good battle. They're battling up the hill. There goes Zay. Dude, Deagan and Tony are right on each other. It'll be good to see who's gonna get this one. There, they're coming right now. There's Tony right in front of him. Zay. That's a battle right there. Oh shit, oh shit. Deagan's got him in the corner. Oh, got him, got him, got him. Oh, Deagan's right on him, dude. Got him! Got him! Got him! He's about to get this next one too right now. Yeah! He's about to take him too right now in a second watch. Let's go, buddy! Oh, look, D, he's about to take him, watch. Get him, D, get him. Get him, D, get him, get him! Oh! Get him, D. Oh! He got him. He got him. D took two places right now. Come on, D. Come on, D. Get him. Get him. Come on, D. She comes up first over there. Deagan took another one. Oh, oh, oh. Got him. Oh, 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 oh. Get him, D. Get him. Yeah. Got him. Zaedyn's just cruising. We had to switch his tire out. Yeah! Come on, D. Get up there. Zay. Deagan's working hard right now. I'm not even joking. Deagan's working hard right now. He wants it. Just past another person, Deagan did. Holy shit, he's on fire today, dude. Dude, he's beast mode today. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Threw the hand out.